Aditya and welcome to Jade SOFTECH. In this session, we are going to discuss about the SAP S4 HANA Cloud Sales Order Creation. So here we can see the screen where I have opened the Fiori application and I'm creating a sales order from the Fiori application. So we'll learn more about how an internal sales representative creates a sales order. And these are the steps that we have to follow. Right now we have an option here called internal sales beside the my home, where we have to see the list of all the pages we can see here, and we can also see the internal space, sales space. So we just have to click on this, and once we click on that, we'll be going ahead and after that we'll have this option of sales order, sales process. So we have to select the sales process here, and then we have to go ahead with the once we click on the sales process, we'll have this manage sales order process. So when we click on this manage sales order process, we will be going ahead with the next option here. So here we have option here that we can go ahead and click on the create. After clicking on this manage sales order, you will see this page, and once we see this page, we can go ahead and click on the create. After clicking on the create, we'll have this option of create sales order, which we used to create from VS01 transaction in the past. Now once we click on this create sales order, we'll be seeing this option here. You'll open this page wherein like we can give the sales order type. So sales order type we need to give, and we need to give the sales organization as well. Now what we'll do is we'll go ahead with the sales order. We'll be entering the sales order here, and after the entering of the sales order, we'll be entering the sales organization as well. So I'm giving here OR as the sales order type, and sales organization I'm giving it as 1710. And distribution channel also I'll be giving here. So once we give that as a sales order 1710, now we'll giving the distribution channel as 10, and once we give the distribution channel as 10, I will be going ahead with the division part. So in the division part, we'll be giving it as 00. Here this is 1111, and we'll be giving 00. And once we give the 00, we need to choose this continue. So here we need to choose the continue here, and once we click on the continue, we'll be going ahead with the next step where we are to create the sales order. Sold to party, we need to give the sold to party, we need to give the ship to party, and customer reference. So these are the things that are mandatory, so we need to go ahead and give this part. So we'll have these things to be entered. So we'll be giving this sold to party I'm giving right now is 1710001, and customer reference also I'll be giving it here. So in this customer reference, I'll be giving it as 12345. And once we give that here, we'll be going ahead with the delivery plant. So we'll be entering the delivery plant as 1730. So you can make a note of these inputs that I'm giving, and you can try creating it in the Fiori application, the same process that I have done, and it most probably will work. So this is like the material I'm giving it as TG12. It is already been configured in my system. So there was in case you need that, you can create a material in the MM01 and then come back and give it here. So then we have the order quantity. Order quantity we are giving it as 10, and the unit we are giving it as PC. PC means individual pieces. So if you are giving, if let's say cars, how do we count the cars? Cars are counted by number, right? So 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars. So that is piece. So PC, that's what we give it as piece, PC. Then we have to go ahead with the we have to click on this conditions option here, and once we click on the conditions option, we'll be going ahead with, we just need to so this is the screen that will be visible after this, and here we need to go ahead and click we have to ensure the intercompany pricing type exists. So intercompany pricing will be there, so we just need to go ahead and give that, and if there is any tax justification, we can just go ahead and give that, and then click on save. So here we have got this success message will be there, wherein we will get a message that the sales order has created. So here sales order 1384 has been saved. This is what is the message that you will be getting it. And once you get this message, it means that you have successfully created the sales order. That's it for now, and we are going to discuss in coming section more such scenarios. Thank you. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel and like these videos and share these videos with everyone in your colleagues and friend circle, so that it will help them as well. Thank you. Have a great day. And if you are looking out for SAP trainings, do contact us.